the house is putting up. I like what I'm seeing it putting up and looking good. I was living in Portmore and I was working in Jamaica Beverages. They're redundant, all of us, and locked up from before COVID and laid off. I don't have a permanent work anymore, so the rent what I'm paying, I cannot afford it anymore. The world now is on and off. Work is not steady. Sometimes I work 3 times, 4 times to the week, sometimes 1 time, 2 times. So just move, come back home and ask my sister for I can stay in her room. And she said, well, my niece is inside here, so I can join with her and want to stay in there with her until I can afford something for myself.
Food for the poor. We are so grateful to be here because of Boom, that this is their 10th house that they have committed to changing lives. We're here in Mount James, Sligoville, and I raise the funds, she find the recipients. We're a tag team, and that's what we do at Food for the Poor. There's so many elements to what we do.
Once the documents come into Food for the Poor and we vet them and ensure that they're okay, we go out, do the investigation, ensure that the land is fitting to build on, and we're here to build this house today.
Who recommended this beer?
You know, I'm gentleman, I don't remember his name, you know, I meet him and he said that he worked with Food for the Poor. So I'm asking what is the procedure we can get a house and Food for the Poor. He said that I can't get it, but I have to have the land, we have to put it for, I have to have the tiger and the last paper what I pay for the land. And then we put it in for me, so I get it done and I give it to him.
So this is your land?
Yeah, this is my land.
So we build over 30 houses per month, separate and apart from what we're doing here. And we're planning to increase it next month because the donors are stepping up, they're showing up. Even though it's a pandemic, our donors are really and truly helping us to ensure that we can help these Jamaicans.
You're going to be living alone or somebody going to live with you?
No, my wife is going to live here.
You're working right now?
Yeah, sometimes 1 month days working is a friend. You know?
He was just selected because of his case, but normally persons who are fire victims, the elderly, you know, the family with a lot of children are normally priority, and once they have the required documents, then we are able to help them. Mr. Gayle was in a really bad situation, and we are grateful that we're here to change his life. And again, the wonderful team at Food for the Poor, the amazing team at Boom, we could not do this without you. And listen, Jamaica, we could not do this without you.
I'm feeling excited, I'm feeling glad for it, you know.